What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Jodo Trainer TV. Today is Sun and Moon Team Up release, which is just so cool. This set is awesome. A lot of great cards coming out of here, and it is time to start opening up packs on PTCGO and seeing what we can get. We have 18,500 coins. So we're going to get 92 packs of this. So let's just start getting those here. And I am just so pumped. Is there a way to do this so I don't have to click every time? I don't think there is. Anyway, this is sweet. This set is so cool. And I am just pumped. We're going to just get an even 90. Redeem. Confirm. All right. We got 90 packs. And we're just going to go into our collection here. Now, I have a few other packs of this set that I got codes for, just so I was prepared for release. And I know a lot of these I'm going to trade. So I'm going to open up these 90 here that are untradeable. And see what we get, and then trade the other ones for whatever we need. So here we go. We're just starting off here. I wish the pack openings would go a little bit quicker on PTCGO, but it is what it is. And we're starting off with Lapras. Okay, let's just get through this as fast as we can so we can start getting into some deck building, some matches. So I've opened up, Full Art Venusaur and Celebi. Great start. That is a deck I want to try. And I've built a few decks actually already. I opened up a bunch of pre-release kits yesterday. I didn't make a video of it. I probably should have, but I pulled a bunch of Charizard promos from the pre-release kits, and so I made a Charizard deck, which has been really good. And then I actually traded a few packs for some Incineroars because I wanted to try an Incineroar deck. A Full Art Dana, nice. But anyway. So we'll just we'll see what we can get out of here, and hopefully we can get some good stuff. I'm hoping for Pikachu and Zekrom. Obviously, I want to build that deck. Obviously, Eevee Snorlax would be sweet. I want to make tool drops, so Hone Edges and Doublades are great. More Venusaur Celebi would be good. Mimikyu and Gengar maybe. What else is there? I want a Full Art Erica just cause that would be sweet. But I don't think we'll get that. But we got Latios and Latios GX, so that's pretty cool. All right. Oh, also we can make that Gyarados deck with that Magikarp. That would be sweet. Anyway, just moving on here, trying to get through these packs as fast as possible. I don't want this to be too long of a video, but hopefully you guys enjoy seeing kind of the pull rates online out of these packs. So we're opening up 90 of these packs, and then another Venusaur Celebi. Great. Okay, I think I know what deck we're building. So we'll definitely be trying a Venusaur Celebi deck. Yeah, let's get those Pikachu and Zekrom, though. Let's get them. I also need a Tapu Koko Prism, Shaman Prism. What else? Ampharos would be cool. I'd like to try an Ampharos. There's our Doublade. Nice. Yeah, it would be cool to try an Ampharos deck. Almost 20 packs in. All right. Verse Litten, nice. That Mimikyu is cool too. I want to try to throw that in a Gardevoir deck just as like a single prize attacker. Because it's just the same Psychic Mimikyu that people put... There's our Ampharos. Same Psychic Mimikyu that people put in Malamar decks with the copycat attack. But this time it's a fairy type, so it would work great with Gardevoir. You just power it up with Gardevoir. There's our Tapu Koko Prism. Very nice. The new Brock's Grit art. We got a Starmie. Nice. Viridian Forest. It's good. Shaman Prism. Nice. Zoroark. Nice. Okay. I don't really know if we can make a deck with that Zoroark. I just don't think it's good enough. Nidoking, Black Market Prism. I already have one of those. Because we traded for one yesterday because we were building an Incineroar deck. All right, come on. Got the new Alolan Executor. Where are our GXs at? Come on. We need those Pikachu and Zekrom. Full Art Latios. I'll take it. All right. We're 30 packs in. And come on. Let's go. I really wish they didn't have you click on that last card. Just show me it. Don't make me click. Wondrous Labyrinth. That's nice as well for a Gardevoir deck. The Lugia art is cool. I don't know if it's playable, but I really like the artwork on that. Also, with that Weedle, that reminded me I want to make a Beedrill deck as well. I played a little bit of ladder this morning, and I still haven't come across a tag team. Yo! Secret Rare Pokemon Communication. That's sweet. That is awesome. Also, with this set, I'm updating my Lost March deck, throwing in Pokemon Communication and Erica. So that'll be awesome. So excited to use that Secret Rare Pokemon Communication Full Art Morgan. Secret Rare Pokemon Communication in there. That'll be sweet. But yeah, I want to make a Beedrill deck, I think I was saying earlier. But I haven't really run across any tag team decks on the ladder yet today. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. I mean, the PTCGO ladder is always kind of weird. So, but I would love to go up against one. I've been wanting to go up against one. I want to see how I do against them. I want to see how good they are. Just haven't yet. So hopefully we'll, in one of our videos that we release this weekend, obviously we're going to be bringing out a lot of videos this weekend. Nice Erica's Hospitality. Hopefully we can face some tag teams. But nice, we got our third Venusaur Celebi, so that will be definitely one of the decks we make this weekend, for sure. All right. Another Mimikyu. Hoopa. All right, that one's not great as far as I can tell. Where's my mouse? Where'd it go? Here we go. So the videos, I'm going to try my best to release this weekend because I know everyone's looking for deck lists now that the new set's out. The ones I'm going to try to do this week are Tool Drop, Pikachu Zekrom, Venusaur Celebi, Charizard, Incineroar, and an updated Lost March. Those are like the first 6 I'm going to try. And then I want to do an updated Malamar deck with either Mimikyu Gengar or Eevee Snorlax, or both. Yeah, so we'll just see. But I'm going to try to release a bunch of videos this weekend just so people can start seeing, the decks that they want to try to build, see how they work, get a good deck list. Yeah. Rainbow Rare, Latios and Latios. We haven't gotten any other tag teams besides Latios, Latios, and Venusaur Celebi. That's crazy. Where are our other ones? Come on. We only got 32 packs left of 90. And we haven't seen a single Pikachu Zekrom. There's Eevee Snorlax. Nice. Good stuff. You don't need many of those. Probably only 2, maybe just 1. So that's nice that we got our 1. But where is Pikachu and Zekrom? Where is it? All right. The Pidgeotto's good too. I haven't put it in a deck yet. I probably could throw it in my Charizard deck. Maybe I should. I've been using like Alolan Ninetales, Jirachi with Charizard. I'd rather get that GX out of there and maybe throw Pidgeotto in instead. I think that would be good. Getting all the Doublades we need. 23 packs left. Where is Pikachu and Zekrom? At least give me my 4th Venusaur Celebi. So I don't have to trade for that. Come on, just give me something. At least we haven't gotten a Cobalion yet, because that thing is worthless. As soon as I say that, we're going to pull it probably. It's not worthless. It's just not very good. It's better than Mr. Mime, I guess. Where is our GXs? The ratios have to be better than this. There's a Beedrill. Nice. Another Shaman. Out of 90 packs, there's a Charizard. Out of 90 packs, we can't pull this few GXs. We can't. That would suck. Omastar's nice. All right, I'll take that. Come on. Let's go. 12 left. What do we got? Also, I love that we opened up like 90 packs so quickly. It's been like 12 minutes. It's crazy. And part of that time was like buying all the packs and everything too. So it actually went a lot quicker than I thought. Come on. Gosh, these pull rates are awful. Or at least they feel awful. I feel like we haven't gotten anything in forever. What the heck? Come on. What the heck? Four packs left. And we're just getting nothing. Okay, Jirachi, that's fine. I already have the pre-release promos, though, so don't need it. Come on. This is horrible. This is horrible. Can't wait to go into our collection, see what we've got out of 90 packs. Jeez. Come on. It's our last one. End on a mime. Wow. Totally screwed. Totally screwed. All right. Here we go. Let's look here. Filter to team up. Is this ultra rare, I think? Apply. Okay, we got 1 GX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already had those in Incineroar. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then in terms of trainers, so we got 10. And then what did we get for full art trainers? 11, 12, 13. Okay. So we got 13 ultra rares out of basically 3 boxes. That's horrible. That's horrible. Jeez. Okay. Anyway, so what we need now is to do a little bit of trading. Because we want to get a third Venusaur Celebi. And man, not even 1 Pikachu Zekrom. Okay. Let's see what we got over here. Everyone's gonna be asking an arm and a leg for everything. Okay. Gengar and Mimikyu GX for 4 packs. The dude asking 8 pack. Oh, I guess it's a rainbow rare. Pikachu and Zekrom for 17 packs. Huh. All right. So someone's trying to get a Gardevoir for a Cobalion. Are there any Pika-Roms on here? So it'll be Venusaur for 8 packs. Don't really want to do that. Oh, we didn't get any Dragonites now that I think about it either. I need to get some Dragonites because I want to try that out. Just a bunch of energy. Okay. Pikachu and Zekrom for 19 packs. Nope. Pikachu and Zekrom. And, okay, I guess it's got the secret rare with it. Jeez. Whatever. Yeah. We're going to need a few of those anyway. I think we already looked at that one. Yeah, we gotta go further down. Come on. Let's find Let's find some good trades here. 17 packs. That might be just what they're standardly going for. Yeah, it looks like everyone's going for 17. I mean, we'll get our third amp for us, I guess. I think that's the trade we just completed. It's just not gone. Pikachu and Zekrom for 17. EV Snorlax for 4. Yeah. I don't think it's going that cheap. I really don't. So, yeah, I'll take that. Let's just search Pikachu. Wait, no, here. I think it's number 33 in the set. All right, let's see. Okay, here's some for 16 packs. Wait, where'd that go? We might do that. Let's see, for 15 packs. Yeah, we'll probably do that. I'm just going to keep looking here, though. You know what? No. Nope. I love how they just throw, like, extra random stuff in. 14 might be the best we can do. What's this? 2 of them for 37? No. No. Just throwing a bunch of random stuff in. Want 4 Blacephalon? No. What are they trying to get here? 50 packs? Huh. I think we'll, well... I think we'll do this one, just so we have one for now. No, that was not the one I meant to click on. No, come on. Stop moving. Here we go. Yeah, we'll probably do that one. Let's see, what's this one? Okay, we got 2 of them for now. Anyway, I'll stop boring you guys with trades. I'll finish all my trades up and get some decks built, and then we will start doing some battles and obviously some deck list videos so that you guys know exactly what you want to play in your upcoming leagues and league cups and everything, or just online. So just appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video.